Let's take a quick journey. One that's literally saved millions of lives, and you might not even realize it every time you open your fridge. Imagine a world where surgery is risky, vaccines rarely last, and infections can spiral out of control. Not so long ago, that was everyday reality. Medicine spoiled fast and blood couldn't be stored for emergencies. But then, refrigeration technology stepped onto the scene. It all kicked off in the mid-1800s, when ice was the only way to keep things cold. Hospitals would literally harvest ice from lakes and rivers, dragging it through city streets to keep rooms, food, and medicine cool. But this was unpredictable, and let's be honest, a bit gross. In the early 20th century, mechanical refrigeration made its debut. Suddenly, doctors and scientists could control temperature like never before. This wasn't just a neat trick for hospitals, it was a turning point for all of medicine. Think about vaccines. The polio vaccine, for example, needs to be kept cold. Without reliable refrigeration, it would spoil before reaching the people who needed it most. Thanks to the cold chain, a series of refrigerated storage and transport, life-saving vaccines can travel across continents and survive the journey. It doesn't stop there. Insulin, blood transfusions, organ transplants. None of these would be possible without chilling things down. When you hear stories about premature babies surviving because of blood banks, or a kidney transplant saving a life, refrigeration is the unsung hero behind the scenes. Let's fast forward. Today, hospitals use ultra-cold freezers to store everything from cancer treatments to COVID-19 vaccines. Some of these need temperatures lower than Antarctica in winter. And in remote villages, solar-powered fridges keep medicines safe, even miles from the nearest power line. But here's the thing, this isn't just history. The technology keeps evolving. Scientists are now working on portable coolers that use nanotechnology to keep vaccines cold for weeks without power. Imagine the impact medicine delivered anywhere, anytime, without spoilage. So next time you open your fridge, remember, it's not just about snacks or leftovers. That simple hum is part of a global chain that saves lives every single day. Refrigeration isn't just cool technology, it's one of humanity's quiet revolutions. And if you're dreaming about making a difference in medicine, engineering, or global health, remember, even the smallest innovations can change the world. Who knows, maybe your cool idea could be the next big breakthrough. Thanks for joining me on this chilly adventure. Stay curious and keep asking why. You never know where the answer might lead.